Hey guys, my name is Michael and welcome to my channel. This is a new channel where I will be building tutorials based on JavaScript. So specifically, I will be building projects from scratch, step by step. As you can see on the screen, as you can see here on the screen, these are some of the projects that I will be building with you guys. We will be breaking down our project. Be selecting a project and breaking down it into smaller tasks before we complete them step by step, just to make sure we understand every concept. And these are just examples, some of the examples that you must build, especially if you are a beginner, to understand and to gain the JavaScript skills that are always needed as a JavaScript developer. So for me, I just believe that JavaScript is never hard. It's never hard if you remain consistent in building the projects from scratch. I believe if you build these projects, if you build, you learn a lot than you can ever imagine. So yeah, this is it for this video. This was just an introduction video for my channel. If you believe this is the right channel for you, I would urge you to subscribe and stay tuned for more projects to come. This is it. So see you in the first project, which I will be uploading this week. Let's say 1 or 2 days after this video. So yes, see you guys.